Today I have the Lexus UX 200 2019 model, all key lost. I'm going to program by Lonsdor by this ADP adapter, as you see here, and with this ALK. So what we have to do, first we have to connect this cable on here, OBD cable. After that we have to connect this, then we have to connect these cables. I connect it here, as you see here on the top one. There is a 3. I remove the original and I fix this one. After that I'm going to program it. So going to the Toyota, selected from types, 2016 plus all smart kilos 8A. So first backup emu data. There is 2 options, by OBD, by ADP. We are going to buy ADP because this is the ADP device. Let's do it. The device is requesting the Wi-Fi. Should be a connect the Wi-Fi and reading. Software serial is okay. So you're going to first generate this as a remote, then you switch ignition on, then you can make the spare key. Okay, so you can put the file name UX 200 2019, save. Emu data backup successfully already. Okay, by this click OK. Now we are going to generate this, okay, from here. This way you can program the 2016 plus, mostly Lexus, 90% almost. Okay, read this, click OK. Okay, please put the emulator. Put the emulator here. Click OK. Okay, small one we need to Toyota, Lexus, Toyota. This one, UX 2019. Okay. Successfully. Okay, on this way we can try to switch ignition on. Emergency light. Just try it on this side or this side to be switch ignition on. Hold the mobile. It should be like that. What happened? So now we are going to make the add key. Just after disconnect the cable, you should connect the disconnect here, all the cables. Going to add key. Place switch ignition on, already on. Okay. have to choose the first one, not the second one, first one. Okay, so choose the cars. Okay, the key code is only 2. You can program up to 5 keys. Click OK. Hold the statement key. This one, just new one, just put it there. Now put the new key. Just put it like that. Yeah, it's successfully programmed. Just take it out. The first put this one, then the new remote. It should be success now, and let's see. Now you can see 3 keys there. Before was 2 keys. Click OK. Please follow this. Okay. Switch ignition on is on already. Place the programming kit, the smart button vehicle. You can yeah, I put it. There is a sound. Click it OK. Program complete. Now we are disconnect the device. We are going to disconnect the device. Disconnect device. Switch ignition off. And check it. Remote is working. Start the car. Everything is fine.